I'm Matthew Galgani with your IBD 2-Minute Tip. How to use a simple weekend routine to spot stocks near a potential buy point. This is a quick routine you can do in around 20 minutes on a Saturday or Sunday. And if you do it regularly, you'll spot any major changes in market direction and get early alerts to top-rated stocks nearing a possible buying range. Here's how it works. Step 1. Check the current outlook in the big picture column. This is critical, so don't ignore this step. Most stocks move in the same direction as the overall market, either up or down. So in general, you only want to buy stocks when the current outlook says confirmed uptrend. Step 2. Quickly scan the chart analysis provided for each stock in the IBD 50 and your weekly review. Circle or make note of any stocks said to be nearing or in a potential buying range. For example, this chart for SolarWinds from the IBD 50 on October 17, 2011 told you the stock was forming a double bottom with a potential 25.72 buy point. So that's one you would have noted using this routine. Step 3. Use IBD Stock Checkup to learn more about the stocks you circled. At the top, you'll find a short description that tells you what the company does. Since the stock is on the IBD 50 or your weekly review, you know it's going to be one of the leaders in its industry group, and you can see how it ranks among its peers here. Scroll down a bit and you'll see if the stock gets pass, neutral, or fail ratings for the most important fundamental and technical criteria. And down a little farther, you'll find links to any articles or videos IBD has done on the company. And by the way, the more you do this routine, the faster it gets. That's because if you do this each weekend, you'll soon find you're already familiar with most of the companies listed in the IBD 50 and your weekly review. Step 4. Watch to see if the stocks you highlighted break out in the coming days and weeks. If a stock you're tracking does break out, make sure volume is at least 40 to 50% higher than normal. That shows conviction among big investors, and that enthusiasm is needed for the stock to make a sustained upward move. Also, check the big picture again to make sure the current outlook still says the market is in a confirmed uptrend. Here's just one example of how you could have used this routine to get in early on a winning stock in the uptrend that started on December 20th, 2011. On January 20th, 2012, your weekly review highlighted cloud computing firm Rackspace Hosting, saying its first stage cup with handle shows a 45.56 buy point. On this weekly chart, here's where your weekly review noted Rackspace's potential buy point. That gave you time to put the stock on your watch list and find out more about what the company does. 2 weeks later, Rackspace broke out and shot up over 20% in just 3 weeks. Rackspace is just one example of how you can get early alerts to potential winners using this simple weekend routine. The key is to use it regularly. That way you'll have your watch list ready and know what specific buy points you're looking for ahead of time. So if a stock breaks out on heavy volume, you'll be ready to act. Here are 2 ways to get more help with investing routines and strategies. Sign up for free IBD training sessions at investors.com/training. And be sure to tune in to our weekly radio show, How to Make Money in Stocks with Investors Business Daily. You can get all the details and listen to all episodes at investors.com/KRLA radio. That's your IBD 2-Minute Tip. Thanks for watching.